Hello everyone and welcome to Markets Analyzers. This is news video number 53. Today Nifty rallied by 68 points and closed at 20,969, whereas Bank Nifty rallied by 420 points and closed at 47,262. In this entire week, Nifty rallied by 3.46%. This is the biggest weekly gain recorded by Nifty since July 2022. I will explain why Nifty is moving upside. But before talking about that, let's briefly discuss about global markets move on yesterday. US markets closed on positive note, especially Nasdaq rallied by 1.4%, mainly due to Google's parent company Alphabet, which rallied by 5.3%. Google has announced its latest artificial intelligence model called Gemini, and they also told Gemini outperforms OpenAI's GPT 3.5, but they did not make any comments on how it performs in comparison with OpenAI's latest model GPT-4 and GPT-4 Turbo. If you don't know what this ChatGPT means, well, what do I say? Let ChatGPT itself explain what it is. ChatGPT is a computer program designed to understand, generate human-like text, like chatting with a superhuman. Now, Google's Gemini will compete with products from OpenAI, Microsoft, and Meta, Facebook. But US markets will be on focus today with the release of non-farm payrolls data for previous month. The expectations are 1.8 lakh non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls means it is like a salary received by the workers in USA, except the salary received by those in farming. It indicates how strong the labor market is. If there are more payrolls means it indicates more jobs are being created in the economy. It will be released today and its effect is seen on US markets and it will impact our markets opening on Monday. Look at GIFT Nifty to get an idea whether it's positive opening or negative opening. In the beginning, I told I will explain why Nifty is moving upside, right? This up move in Nifty is due to positivity in HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. Both these banks are heavyweights in Nifty. Try to remember these points carefully and you will know why Nifty is moving upside. In Nifty, out of 100%, 37% weightage is given to financials, means banks and NBFCs. Cut all other sectors. They are nowhere near to financial sector in weightage. What does this indicate? It means if banks are moving upside means the Nifty in majority of cases will move upside. In this week, Nifty moved by 3.4%. How much banking sector has moved in this week? It moved upside by 5.4%. I hope you have understood that majority of Nifty's rally is due to positivity in banking space. The next point is why banking sector is moving upside. These are all the list of stocks present in Bank Nifty. Out of these all stocks, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank has more than 63% weightage in Bank Nifty. These two stocks can influence Bank Nifty's move. If these two stocks are positive means most likely they will be positive. In this week, HDFC Bank rallied by 6.2% and ICICI Bank rallied by 6.7%. And also in HDFC Bank, 74% of trades are for delivery. It means people are not buying for just intraday trading. 74% of total trades are going to delivery, long-term holding. Investors are buying HDFC Bank to hold for long-term. I hope you are not getting confused with all this data. Not understand, try to watch it once again. There is no particular new reasons why HDFC Bank is suddenly moving upside. Could be due to the end of rate hike, both RBI and US Federal Reserve, and we are witnessing huge FIs fund flow in markets recently. Some of it could be coming into HDFC, might also be due to HDFC Bank underperformance in comparison with benchmark indices like Nifty. In last 3 years, HDFC Bank gave 14.5% return to investors. If we compare the same period with Nifty, in last 3 years, Nifty index itself gave 44% return to investors. For swing traders and long-term investors, there is an interesting pattern. HDFC Bank weekly time frame, HDFC Bank has formed a cup and handle pattern this week. The handle has broken out upside. This pattern is considered as bullish, but stay cautious at 1700 mark, as previously 3 times HDFC Bank rejected from that level. Before moving on to RBI updates and Nifty charts, in a video which was done few days back, I have explained about Tata Power, and even in Tata Power, similar pattern breakout happening. Try to watch that video. After pattern, it has given a huge 17%. Now let's talk about RBI monetary policy outcomes. They held interest rates at 6.5%, which was expected. They have increased fiscal year 24 GDP growth rate to 7% from 6.5% earlier. It is positive. And inflation forecast is maintained at same level of 5.4%. They have maintained withdrawal of accommodation stance in their monetary policy committee MPC meet. It is also what market expected. Withdrawal of accommodation means if they want, they will reduce the money supply in the system to control inflation. There was no negative updates from RBI today, and RBI governor made some positive comments on Indian GDP growth. Overall, the event concluded without any negative news. Now let's talk about Nifty. In yesterday's video, I told you to stay cautious at 10 AM. Even in video title, I have mentioned to be alert. Now look at Nifty charts. The first red candle was formed exactly at 10 a.m. and from there Nifty corrected till 20,860 and support was taken 10 points above this level, and again Nifty came upside. In recent times, whenever Nifty corrects and if it comes near to support means there is immediate buying. You can look at this trend on Tuesday. Nifty fell and reached this support and immediately buying came. There is no consolidation. Strong green candle and up move. Similar strong buying seen here, and today price did not even reach the support. Buying came and closing the near to day's high. As soon as Nifty dips, people are strongly moving Nifty upside again. If we talk about levels, support I am looking is at 20,850. Resistance is at 21,090. Watch this 20 point zone as well.